Hello grade 2s. Welcome to the lesson about fractions. Fractions has to do with sharing things into equal parts. Today I want to demonstrate fractions by these lovely fruits that I have here with me. As you can see, this is an apple, a lovely crispy winter fruit. And this is one whole apple, but if I cannot handle eating a whole apple, I might have to cut it into two halves. I've got another lovely yummy winter fruit here with me, and this fruit is called a grapefruit, right? It is yellow, yellowish orange, roundish fruit. But this fruit is quite big, so I might have to cut this fruit into halves, and thereafter the halves into quarters, as you can see. And then I could bless a few other people with the same fruit as well. So now we're going to look at shapes, because shapes are some of the things that can be shared very equally into parts. Let's quickly look at our basic shapes. We've got circles, ovals, diamonds, triangles and squares. And as you can see, I've indicated with lines on them how they can be shared. This triangle is shared into halves. This square is shared into quarters. This one can be shared into halves and quarters. The diamond, so can the oval, and so can the circle. I also have a few more shapes here to show you how these halves and wholes and quarters fit together. Out of one half, as you saw with the apple, out of one whole we can get two halves. What is bigger, the whole or the halves? Of course the whole is bigger, and as you can see here, the whole is bigger than these two halves. If I would put these two halves on top of the whole, it would take two of them to cover the whole. And if I would like to cover the halves, it would take 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters to cover the halves. Some of these shapes have already been cut into halves and quarters, as you can see. Over here I have indicated this rectangle into quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. If I would remove one of these parts here, I had 4 quarters, now I will just have 3 quarters left. 3 quarters. And if I would remove another quarter, the only thing that would be left there would be 2 quarters. And if I would then thereafter remove another one, I would be stuck with 1 quarter. And look at the spelling of quarter. It's got a silent r in there. Over here you see 2 halves. We call these 2 halves. And if I would remove one of them, I would be left with only 1 half. There we go. And that is our introduction to fractions.